Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can try the Capcut trend on TikTok. So how you guys can get the templates in a way. So don't get confused, I will show you how this works. So hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First thing first, once you open TikTok, at the top right you can click on search. So at the search you want to search for Capcut new trend template. Once you do that, it's going to show you all the trending video which uses Capcut. So the first one has 984k likes. That means it's probably trending. So what I can do is click on the video. Once I click on the video, you can see there's an option called Capcut, try this template. So basically you can just click on this and it's going to show you use template in Capcut. So yes, I want to do that. So I will click on use template in Capcut. And it's asking me to open Capcut. Now remember, to use the template, first you need to download the Capcut app, alright? So I have already downloaded the Capcut app on my mobile, so I will click on open. The app will automatically open up, just like this, as you guys can see. Now at the bottom right you can see use template, click on use template, and it's asking me to select two videos, and it has to be more than 7 seconds and 4 seconds. So I will just choose two of my random videos over here, which is above 2 seconds. So I'm going to select my second video, this. And as you guys can see, two video has been selected. Now since the template only needed two videos, two video has been selected. I can click on preview and the video should be created like this. As you guys can see, this is how the template has been automatically applied by Capcut. Now I can click on export at the top and this video will be exported. And I can basically upload it on TikTok or do anything I want with it. That's how we guys can try Capcut trend, which you find on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.